Go cop your 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I'm gonna be reacting to the best haircuts. I'm not gonna be doing a lot of talking, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
I don't know if it's just me, but just looking at haircuts like that don't even excite me no more, because I'm used to looking at waves getting cut off. So yeah, like I was saying, I'm used to seeing waves getting cut off, not regular hair like this, you know, no waves at all. I mean, it's like, it brings back memories. So when I didn't have no waves, it's pretty cool though. Hey, what the heck? This guy just blew me a kiss? You gay? Nah, not me. He blew y'all a kiss. He ain't blew me no kiss. Stop playing with me. Got the goat. Nah, not even a goat fade. He just got a fade. So guys, it's my bad. You know, I didn't charge my camera, so my camera it's probably gonna die in a couple of minutes. So I'm not gonna watch this whole video, you know, because I don't think my camera got that type of life in it. I don't know, this is pretty entertaining. It's pretty entertaining. I'm just watching this. Especially this blade right there. The blade, I was like, yo, that joint looks so satisfying. I'll never use that on my own because I'll probably cut myself. That's why if I ever get a haircut, I just cut my hair down and go to the barber and get a shape up. I know I'm gonna mess myself up. Using a blackout, you know. He's smoking on it. He's smoking on his head. Like what? Better not do no stuff like that to me. Bugging. I ain't paying you. Walk out that. Why they keep getting fades though? That was smooth. That was smooth. His head ashy. He got a little bit of waves. Got a couple bald spots. I'm not the only one. I'm not the only one. I don't know. Best haircut transformations. Okay. His ear is probably fake diamonds. They look like spit, man. About to spit on you. They probably spit in that bottle, though. Like, using straight spit. He probably slumping that shit. He sleep. My boy sleep. Get you a bug that can put you to sleep like that, man. Probably having a nice dream. He still sleep. Wake up. Oh, this guy happy. He about to get a cut. About to get a fresh cut. You got a little part. Okay, I see. Okay. Alright, what you about to do now, man? I hope we cut that little part up at the front and just not, you know, not leave it there. What the? They got that shape ups with a scissor. Next time I go to my barber, I'm gonna tell him to give me a shape up with a scissor, man. I don't want to use no blade. Just don't cut my ears. What? I ain't never seen nothing like that before. He using a scissor to cut his head to shape him up. That's crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like that before. Sheesh. Look like you about to get a mohawk. What type of cut is that? Yeah, it's like a mohawk, I think. Or a fade. Maybe not, I don't know. Oh, it's just a design. Yo, them barbers know how to use the scissors, man. Jeez, look at that. You like throwing up gang signs with them scissors, yo. That's a nice blow dryer. What is that? You putting cocaine on? What the heck was that? Oh, he dyeing his hair. Spray paint his hair. Too bad I can't do that with my hair. Got a baldy. Got a 1. What? Bruh, come on, son. Just cut the whole thing off. Please just cut the whole thing off, guys. If I ever get to this level, just know that I'm just gonna grow my beard out and just bye-bye waves. That's a girl? No, I think that's a little boy. Criminal barber, what that mean? You about to mess your hairline up? About to kill your hairline? You gonna cut that last part out? What? He using a ruler, an actual ruler, to shape this man up, his little boy up. But what about that? Oh wow, I thought he was gonna cut it off. I was about to say, bro, chill. I like how straight hair people, they just use blow dry to style their hair. I can't do that. I use a blow dry, bro. You ain't gonna see nothing. My hair gonna stay the same. How much for a beard, like shape up for a beard? I think people with beard are lucky because they don't gotta pay as much as we do, you know, to get our haircut. My haircut costs like $35. Their beard cut probably like $10 or $15. I remember them good old days when my haircut used to be $15, bro. Man, where did those days go? I done like 35, not 35 and up. But it'd be worth it though, you feel me? I'm afraid of that joint, y'all. Oh, there you go, that's a girl. I know that's a girl for a fact. Cut, what type of cut you get? She getting a fade. I know I said I was gonna watch the whole video. I might stop it at like, I'm gonna stop it in a couple more clips. That spit, I'm telling y'all, they be putting spit in them bottles, y'all. Don't let them put that junk on your hair. You probably got spit in your hair, that junk gonna stink. Bro, I ain't never seen no products. I ain't never seen these products before in my life, y'all. Where these products be at? They probably not made for my hair type though. So I ain't even gonna search that junk up. I think she look better with the other stuff. Oh, I found that junk look like a nest, a bird nest, man. That junk look disgusting. That's why I tell y'all, man. Just get waves. Just get waves. Hope you got a brush after this cut, bro. Actually, this is gonna be my last one. What you putting on your head, bro? You gonna let him put that junk on your head? Shit, get my head, y'all. Probably put milk in your head, bro. Probably got milk on his head. Nappy to not nappy. Your ways, dude. Alright, that's it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so that's basically it for this video, man. Just a little reaction video, just to, you know, just to upload something for y'all. You know, I got more wave videos coming up. My hair is not looking a little too it's not looking too good right now. I have to do a wash and style today. I'm gonna get my hair look clean again. Put, you know, moisturize and everything, have my hair looking healthy and good for y'all until I make another wave tip video for you guys. I got a lot of good videos coming up, so y'all stay tuned for those. And also, guys, my second channel, I have a video dropping later tonight. Me and my girlfriend, we made fried shrimp. Alright, if you guys want to learn how to make fried shrimp, got that video dropping at 5 p.m. Eastern time today. Alright, so it's gonna drop after this video drops, hour after. So stay tuned for that video. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment if you're new to my channel. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for your boy. I will see you guys in my next video.